Hi, good day. My name is Steven. Today, I'm going to be teaching us how to perform image-to-point georeferencing. So now, what do I mean by image-to-point georeferencing? This is georeferencing an image that does not have any known coordinate points or visible coordinate points with respect to an already georeferenced shapefile or data or features. So what we are doing is we are trying to relate visible features that look alike on both images to use it to georeference the one that does not have coordinate points or that is not georeferenced. So to do that, we have to open our ArcMap and add our image first. So this is our raster image that I've added. So looking to the top right, you can notice it said unknown coordinate system, meaning the map or the data source is missing a coordinate system, meaning the map has not been georeferenced. So let's look at our map. So as you can see, straight up looking at this, you can see this is the map of Nigeria with some visible features, this point, and some other points. But if you zoom to the map, you notice that our coordinate points are not visible enough to perform normal georeferencing. So we just zoom back to layer and we add our Nigeria state shapefile. So we go and add it here, Nigeria, and this is an Nigeria state shapefile. So we check our table of contents and we see that it has been added. Then we zoom to layer. So we can just hollow out this and change the color. Color, no color, outline, black, apply. So that's been done. Let's look at features that are similar. Like now, this point here looks perfectly like this point here. So this will be our first point that we're going to georeference. So to georeference, you go to your imagery and select georeference. Then select add control points. So you zoom in to the first point here and navigate to your Nigeria state shapefile, the one that is already referenced, and select the first point, which is here. And you wait for it. So as you can see, it has already moved the image closer to our first point. So now we are going to georeference the second point now, which is this. So left click on this, go to your table of contents, zoom to layer, and right click on this. Left click on this, our second point. So once you select it and wait a while, you're going to see that the image begins to fit almost perfectly. Almost perfectly. So as you can see, it fits almost perfectly. So after that has been done, we can do some finishing touches to make it look more perfect. For example, we can reference these 2 points up here. So select this and reference it with respect to this. I see that it moves immediately. That's our third point. Let's look for another one to make it a perfect 4. So we're going to use this edge as our last point. Select this and reference it with respect to this. So that has been done. So we can just zoom to layer. As you can see, the raster image or the map, the forest area map that we uploaded, is now overlapping the Nigeria state shapefile. So now next you have to do is either save this Nigerian forest image as one or save an extra copy so we can still work on this ungeoreferenced one in case we need to use it later in future. So to save it as a new one, you just go to the right here and select save as new, and you put your data or your info. So the output raster data set, we'll call it LULC underscore georef.sif. Always remember to put the extensions. Save. Yes, overwrite. Then geographic transformation. As you can see, the coordinate system remains WGS 1984. Then this should be left at default. Then our pixel type should be 16-bit unsigned. Output format TIFF. and we can export that. Sorry. So select export and it exports it out for you. It's going to show success very soon and display your data. So that's it. Sorry, let me remove it and add it again. So if you disable the base map and select the one that was just exported, as you can see, that's displayed perfectly. LULC georef2.save, and it is saved in our working folder. So this is how to perform image to point georeferencing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.